Install bulb seal to the edge of the handle side of the door panel. Once bulb seal are installed, set the door inside shower on blocks with handle side of the panel on the same side as the shower head. Attach one set of rollers to the top two holes of the sliding door glass. The rollers should be adjusted to the center of their out-of-round position. This allows for adjusting the rollers more easily if needed. The header support bar is designed to be positioned in line with the exact center of the curb, minimum curb width of 2 5/8 of an inch. To locate the holes in the vertical walls for mounting the header support bar, take the intended overall height to the top of the glass and deduct 4 3/8 of an inch. This figure will represent the height location from the curb to the bottom of the wall to bar fitting. Note, due to the extreme smooth nature of the rollers, the header support bar must be installed level. Failure to do so could result in the sliding door that rolls to one side by itself. Drill the holes and mount the wall-to-bar fittings to each side of the wall. From the center of the wall-to-bar fitting, measure 3/4 of an inch towards the outside of the curb. This will determine the center line for your fixed panel support. Fasten the fixed panel support to the curb and wall. Install fixed panel glass using included setting blocks to plumb and level the glass at intended height. Header support bar without pre-drilled holes. Measure the opening width, wall to wall, where the wall to bar fittings have been mounted. Deduct 3/4 of an inch. Cut the header support bar to that dimension. The header support bar is made of stainless steel. Either a handheld hacksaw or a special cutting tool should be used. Place the bar into the wall to bar fittings using the holes in your fixed panel as a guide. Mark the center of the area where the holes are to be drilled into the head support bar. Holes must be drilled in the center of the bar from top to bottom. Remove the bar from the wall-to-bar fittings using a 1/4-inch drill bit. Carefully drill the holes through the bar in the appropriate locations. Header support bar with pre-drilled holes. Holes in the fixed panel glass must align with the pre-tapped holes in the header support bar. Please note, both ends of the header support bar will have to be cut in order to achieve this. Measure from the center of either hole to the fixed panel support wall and deduct 3/8 of an inch. Cut the header support bar. Be sure the cut measurement is taken from the same hole used in previous step. Once that end of the header support bar is cut, measure the wall-to-wall tight dimensions where the track is to be mounted and deduct 3/4 of an inch. Cut the opposite side of the header support bar. Please note, the header support bar is made of stainless steel. Either a handheld hacksaw or a special cutting tool should be used. The header support bar is to be permanently mounted. Prior to mounting the header support bar, slide a stopper on each end, with the rubber bumper portion toward the ceiling. Lower the header support bar into the opening on top of the wall-to-bar fittings. Slide and fasten the plate onto the top of each wall-to-bar fitting and tighten the set screws evenly from the top and bottom. Before permanently fastening the fixed panel to the header, carefully slide the stopper on the fixed panel side of the header support bar to the midway position between the first hole and the far end of the fixed panel wall. With the fixed panel in place, fasten the glass to bar fitting to the fixed panel, attaching the glass to the header support bar. Place the guide in the correct position and mark the curve for drilling. Mount the guide. Carefully hang the door on the top of the header support bar, placing the glass inside the guide. Slowly roll the door and check for correct fit and adjust the rollers if needed. Fasten the second set of rollers through the door glass. Adjust the second set of rollers, allowing them to ride 1/16 of an inch below the header support bar. The second set of rollers is merely an anti-lift feature and is not intended to roll. With the sliding glass door in the closed position, adjust the stopper to the top roller and tighten the set screw. Attach the back-to-back style through the glass pool. Slide the door to the open position, leaving at least 2 inches between the handle and the fixed panel. Adjust the remaining stopper and tighten the set screw. Measure from the wall to the edge of the fixed panel to determine the length of the dam strip. Cut and install the dam strip directly in line with the fixed panel, using either a shower-approved double-stick tape or silicone. Install the poly splash guard to the fixed panel. Clean glass thoroughly. Seal the glass to the wall with silicone and allow the enclosure to cure for 24 hours before use.